Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix Safari cannot open the page because the network connection was lost on your iPhone or iPads iOS 16. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, what you need to do is just go back to your home screen, and the very first thing what you need to do is just you have to tap here on settings, and from here you have to check whether you have a strong internet connection if you are using the mobile data, and if you are using Wi-Fi connection then you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is strong enough, or what you need to do is just forgot this one out, connect this again, or if the possible change your Wi-Fi connection and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, what you need to do is just here launch settings, and then scroll it below here, and here locate Safari. Here it is, and then scroll it below here all the way, and here tap on advanced and tap on website data, and from here remove all website data and remove now, and then just go back, and from here what you need to do is just scroll it here and tap on clear history and website data, and clear history and data from here. So keep the tabs or close. So after this what you need to do is just from here you have to make sure that lock all cookies turn on here. So turn the toggle on here if in case it's turned off, and then go back, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem still exists there, then again here in the sticks menu what you need to do is just tap on general and scroll it below and tap on date and time, and make sure that both 24-hour time and set automatically toggles are turned on here, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem still exists there, then go for the next method. For that, here again in the settings menu what you need to do is just tap on general and scroll it below all the way here, and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and from here tap on reset, and from here what you need to do is just reset network settings. So tap on this, give here your password, and from here tap on reset network settings to confirm the process. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults, and no media or data will be deleted, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if this tip also doesn't work for you, then here again in the settings menu what you need to do is just here tap on mobile data, and from here locate Safari. Here it is, and make sure that the toggle for the Safari is turned on here. So after this just go back, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the last one. For that what you need to do is just a hard reset or force restart your device by pressing and holding the combination of keys according to your iDevice model, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me tell in the comment. I help more. Thanks for watching.